Forgot to put recording, I think. Right? Do you actually have a trick like this? Can actually win always with like using this, but there are no tricks like that, right? But we lose at the game, sometimes we lose early because of our mistakes, right? Next week, actually, we will talk about these parts, right? We will talk about the parts of the games and the objectives of each game in the next week. Today, we will do a little activity, another one with the checkmates, right? What is checkmate gan activity ka kada karamu? Done. Okay, now you can see bishop and queen getting together. In the bishop and queen, then a double vela. If you remember help and main piece pattern, going to attack the weak spot. Weak spot. This is the weak square, right? Why? Because it is closer to the king. No one protects that. No one protects that. And actually, only king protects it. So it's a weak spot. My weak spot. So Sohan was planning a checkmate. Very good, Sohan. So Senhiru played bishop to b5, check, and cannot take it because from the queen. It's kind of another good idea. But what I will actually say about Senhiru is the better player here, right? Senhiru will become the best player, like I can't be predicting like this, but Danata, Sohan, you have to be careful when you actually use these tricks with everyone. But let's say now to become a good chess player, you have to be like Senhiru and you have to be like Sohan too. Then what on the chess play again? Senhiru why? Because I'm saying Senhiru is good because he's very much organizing pieces, well arranging pieces, taking the pieces out properly, right? Very good, very much arrangement, right? On the pieces arrange karna yeah, Mondai. What about Sohan? Sohan is also good. Why? He's tricky. He's tricky, right? Chess play you have to be kind of have organizing skills to develop the pieces. At the same time, you have to be tricky. Then only have the organizing skills. May pieces to develop tricky. You can't win without being tricky. Tricky when it's tricky with no techniques. Part are able on the tricky with no techniques in the dinan. So you have to be together. These things, these skills comes together. You have to be kind of organizing pieces, developing the things, and at the same time, you have to have the ability to, to plan something, to plan an attack. You have to be a bit smart. So this is what has happened. Right. Going to see pawn to c6, defends it, and pawn cut pawn. I think Senhiru was unaware of the mate. Yeah, mate. Queen to f2, it's a checkmate. So Sohan wins the game, right? It's a checkmate because king cannot take the queen. That's the bishop to guard. Using an easy pattern, 8 moves, it's a checkmate. 8 moves checkmate. We say this is the scholar's mate. Made up, scholar's mate here. But others don't worry because you don't know this yet, right? I didn't eat this yet. But later we will learn these things as well. So I will quit the tournament right now. We'll stop the tournament. And okay, I got lots of requests to analyze the games, but I won't be able to analyze all the things. What then go messages can you analyze mine? Can you analyze mine? Then go game skill. Games analyze time, but we will analyze the games randomly, right? When we get the chance, we will analyze this stuff later. Right. Adapi, today also we will do some checkmate activities like we did in the last week. But these activities will be a bit different from the last week's ones. Then we'll go faster. For this, you need a rough paper. You need a rough paper for this. Make it a gun only put a rough paper. Then become wakari where I can gun, wakari paper gun, and with a pen or pencil. Tagalagan hemom, pen or pencil, get a rough paper. Get a rough paper and pen, pencil, something. Patu at a kolyak gun. Podi වැඩක් කරන්න හදන්නේ ගන්න කටුවට කොලයක් පෙන්සිල් එකක් ගන්න පෙන් එකක් ගන්න hurry up ඉක්මනට ගන්න පොඩි දෙයක් ලියන්නයි හදන්නේ අපි And
Excuse
we
me,
have put
sir.
an increment. Yes, it's 5 plus 5 today. Other automatic 5 plus 5. And yes, Kalpesh.
Sir, I don't have that, but I have only A4 sheet. No, is it
Doesn't matter.
okay?
Doesn't matter. Okay, that's okay. Last
Sir, we can use any color pens?
of course. Just a rough work. Make it any body rough work. Kya karana hai? Last
Okay,
Hindu.
sir, we get.
Okay. Hari. Oh, 1 second.
So that is very.
No, wait. It's a part of the board. It's too big, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It wasn't so clear then. All right. These are the checkmates you have to do. Let's start with this. Write the numbers, right? I will also write the answer somewhere. Don't tell the answers. Write the numbers. Number ke daanna answer ke liyan. I will ask later. No need to put to the chat. Chat ke daanna onne. Don't put to the chat. Just put number 1. It's white to play and mate in 1. Put number 1 and write the answer. So for this I will tell this is white to play. And for this one, the answer is look at the king. Like I always told you to look at the opponent's king. Now, if you are white and you're going to checkmate the black king, look at it, right? So you can see it's blocked to the last row, kind of blocked with the white's king. You have to bring this rook to A8. So the correct answer is rook A8, right? And it's checkmate. So put number 1 and put rook A8. That will be enough. But answer ke daanna mone, right? But sometimes I might ask you to read out the answers, right? Mama idhara itla ekkenekken ahana read out karanna kiyala. Etukota tiyena on liyagen හැමෝම.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kalpesh.
We need to write white to play and put
No,
the
just
answer,
write number 1. No, just write number 1 and just put number 1 and just write the answer there. Adish, you have to write the number and answer. I will put only the questions. You have to write the number. Question number 1. The answer is rook A8. I don't actually give the answers to everyone. I mean, to all the questions, right? But like for the first one, I have given the answer. First answer rook A8 to my answer. Question number 2. Question number 2. This is again white to play. Find the answer. I will give you 20 seconds for a question, like 30 seconds, 20 seconds for a question. Tapar thiyad deno answer hoyanna. E passe mama answer එක අහන එක්කෙනා කියන්න. It's white to play. මම දාන්නේ white to play කියලා විතර. This is number 2 and it's white.
So can I?
So don't call out your names. So මම කියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ මම කියන්න. I know some of the I know exactly some of you know all these answers. Right? These are not hard.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, white queen 8C.
Come on. Bilal, don't tell the answers. I actually told you to write them on the paper. Haridha, done. So Bilal was actually saying the answer that was correct. So queen to C8, he said. Queen to C8, it's a check. So I can't go, on to any of these squares which are in the diagonal. Can't capture the pawns, are guarded, right? And because of the pawns, I cannot go to these 2 squares, G5 and F4. Can't come to F3 because of the king. And one of the other squares are blocked with the black king's, king's own pawns. So it is a checkmate. Once you played queen to C8, it's a checkmate. Make a Harimanse queen at C8 square get a checkmate. Okay, either pawn sign in the Meotan. Pawnsla capture කරන්නත් බෑ ඒගොල්ලන් guard වෙලා තියෙන්නේ.
We can put queen to F4.
Well, if you play right, let's see this. If you play queen to F4, king has one place to escape. මෙන්න එක තරක් තියෙනවා යන්න පුළුවන්. Right? මෙයාට එක තරක් තියෙනවා යන්න පුළුවන් නේද? But it was a very good question, right? I appreciate, I think කවුද මේක ඇහුවේ? Shakir, you asked this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's a very good skill. I mean, it's a very good quality that you ask this question because now let's say I show you a position and you get an answer. At the same time, all these ideas pop up in your mind. Ideas sometimes you don't question your ideas. The answer, it's not clarified to you. So අපිට answer එක තේරෙන්නේ. එහෙම බෑ මොනවාරි තිබ්බොත් අහන්න හැබැයි එකපාර එක ගොඩේ ඔක්කොම අහන්නේ එක එක්කෙනා අහමු. හරි. කියන්න. So queen f4 was wrong.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, Kalpesh.
When any king lie back and white, the queen is come to the king in the square, the one rule square.
Yes,
In
like
the
this.
games, the king is colored into red, no? For attract.
I mean, it's actually colors in red, and only you actually put that on, right? Until you keep it on this option in light chess, whenever like you got a check, the king will be highlighted in red. Neither. අපිට king වල රතු පාටින් highlight වෙලා පේනව නේද check එකක් ආපු ගමන්.
Yes.
This option is there in light chess, right? ඒක light chess එකේ තියෙන option එක. If you want, you can put it off.
Yes.
ඔයගලන්ට පුළුවන් කැමති නම් මේක off කරන්න, right? But I don't say don't actually off. But let's say once, remember another thing, එක දෙයක් මතක තියාගන්න, when you are in a tournament and once you get a check, king will not be highlighted. හරි? මේක light chess play කරලා final හිතන්න එපා tournament එකට ගියාම you have no indication, right? So එතකොට අපිට පේන්නේ නැහැ නේ. So you have to be aware of this. මුතර බලමින් ඉන්න වෙන්නේ. හරි. පරිස්සමෙන් බලමු. So queen c8 is done. Number 3. Yes.
වෙනදට මම king red වෙනවා.
වෙනත් හැම එකෙම වෙනවා. හැම එකෙම වෙනවා. ඔය off කරේ නැත්තම්. ඔට ඕනනම් off කරන්න පුළුවන්. And Divyan is asking how to practice in light chess. Divyan, when you go to your profile, there's a part called learn. Light chess එකේ තියෙනවා, when you go there to your profile, there's something called learn. Click on that. Click on learn and it will have some lessons to follow. එතන තියෙනවා චූටි පාඩම් ටිකක්. ඒක බලන්න පුළුවන්. So this is number 3. It's very easy. හරිම lazy පාඩම් තියෙනවා. Number 3, it's white to play. Look at the question carefully.
Right to play.
Don't tell the answers. Just write them out. ලියන්න කවුරුත් කියන්නේ answers. You can actually send that to me. I got the correct answer from someone. I can't read the name. From Nigambo. White to play and checkmate. If you are still new to chess, try to find a way to give a check. Check එකක් දෙන විදිය හරි හොයන්න. Don't tell the answer. Nitini Savishka. Can you tell me the answer? White to play. You can give a try. I got lots of correct answers. But queen f4 is wrong. Queen f4 is wrong. Queen e3 is again wrong.
I can tell.
Yeah, Sohan, I know, obviously. Sohan can do this. This is not hard for you.
h5.
Not Dunal. Like, oh, come on. Dunal back here. Okay.
E7.
Yes. Actually, I wanted I got the answer from Nitini. We will check it out. Nitini, queen to e7, it's a good one. It's a check. And king cannot come to these squares because these are blocked. But there are 2 parts to escape. Bana Nitini, there are 2 ways to go out. 2 chances to go out. And one said queen to f4 is also good, but there's one way to go out. But once it is a checkmate, there cannot be any way to go out. Let's say I got some answers like
I can tell the
saying
answer.
queen to yes. Yes, on.
Pawn h4.
Yes, pawn h4 is correct, right?
Pawn
Whenever
h4.
you are going to give a checkmate, look at the king, right? Whenever you are going to deliver a checkmate, look at the king and look where it can move. Think about all the squares, right? And then one by one we can reduce. We can reduce one by one. This one block. This is block. This block. This one. All these 3 are blocked because of the queen. So you can see all the squares are blocked already. What is left? Only the one he stays at right now. Yeah, you can imagine this. Okay, what does a checkmate means? Checkmate can.
There's a check to the king and he can't go anywhere because there's a checkmate.
Checkmate කියන්නේ එහෙනම් Checkmate, yes, checkmate, which means there has to be checks to all the squares around it, right? All the squares around it, and to this square as well. And to the square where he stays at right now. එයාට යන්න පුළුවන් තැනුත් check තියෙන්න ඕනේ, ඉන්න තැනත් check තියෙන්න ඕනේ. නැත්නම් checkmate කියන්න බෑ. නේද? මෙතන checkmate කියන්න බෑ. So we found the question that he has no place to go. හරිද? He has no place to go, and all places are like under the captive of the queen and king. මේ queen and king නේ මේව අල්ලගෙන ඉන්නේ. එහෙමනම් we have one pawn free. මෙයා ඉන්නවා අපිට free, and we can use this. We can use the pawn. We can use the pawn to give a check. We push the pawn one square forward, and gives a check.
Sir,
Right? Yes, it's a checkmate. So the move is pawn h4. Yes, you can ask the question.
sir, I can't see the letters in the board.
Senhiru, can't you see? Wait a second. I will reload it. What's happening, Senhiru? Are you getting messages because of that?
No, I
How can
only
you
can. No, I can't see.
But you can see.
Under it. I only can see the numbers.
Numbers. What numbers you mean? Can others see the screen with the board?
Yes,
Alright.
sir, I can't see the screen.
Thoroughly, what's wrong with the screen? What do you see? You also see the numbers.
No, I can't see anything.
Maybe a signal problem, right?
Sir, I think he is telling about that down A, B, C, D, E.
Well,
F,
no,
G,
for
H.
that, yeah, that is only the part of a board. But no, I don't think that he knows how to understand this much. Yes, Senhiru. Well, Sharon, okay. What about Senhiru? Can you see the screen right now? Then pay on it.
Yes, yes, sir.
All right, now you can see.
Yes, sir, can see the screen.
No, I think thoroughly there was maybe I think it was like maybe a kind of a signal problem, right? Okay, let's go to the next
Okay,
game.
sir.
This is black to play. This time is black to play. Find the answer. This is number 4, right? What's the number?
Number
4. Number 4,
Number
black to
four.
play. Black to play. Write down the answers. We'll get it from. Wait a second. We'll get it from Matila.
Excuse me, sir.
Gampaha. Matila. Black to
Excuse
play.
me, sir.
I don't think it's hard for you, Matila. Yes, who is it?
Excuse me, sir.
Can't see the name. Yes, tell your name and ask the question.
I'm Kalpesh, sir.
Yes,
I
Kalpesh,
have
yes.
a problem. What is the answer for the third question? I didn't hear.
Third one, it's H4.
Black rook. X4.
Wait a sec. Yes, that's done. That is actually for the. Wait a second. I got the answer from this from Matila, I think, right? Matila.
6-8.
Yes. Matila has put, I think you have given me the answer, right? King is stuck, right? It cannot move out. And rook, like,
So rook
rook.
h6.
rook goes to h6. And checkmate.
The answer is h6. The answer is h6.
Okay,
So the
one
answer
second.
Rook h6.
Rook to h6. Senetya. Now we are talking about the checkmates, right? Senetya. I got a question from Senetya. Senetya, we actually do these activities about checkmating, right? Then let's say, for example, right, for a moment, let's say there can be some students who don't know how to checkmate. Then apita thiyena prashna. Sometimes we don't know how to checkmate. But for this, we will do some activities on checkmate. Then we are doing some activities of like finding out ways to do checkmate, right? අපි මේ checkmate කරන විදිහවල් වගේනේ හොයන්නේ නේද? Right? For Senetya, first of all, you have to understand how to find, how to block the king. Checkmate is kind of a blockade, right? Kind of block to the king. So for this, you have to look at the opponent's king and all the squares where it can move and try to block them by giving checks. Doesn't matter, it's not a checkmate, right? Make a checkmate උනේ එතකොට කමක් නැහැ. හරිද? මම මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? Those who are new or those who cannot understand the checkmate, what you should try? You should try to give checks, right? What do you mean? What is a check? An attack to the king. Are king to attack කරන්න තමයි try කරන්න. When you actually, start attacking the opponent's king, you will slowly understand how to block that, right? Slowly try to block it as it cannot get away from the check, right? Let's go to the other one right now. The next question is this. This is again black to play. This one is black to play. Question number 5.
Excuse me, sir. I am Kenuja.
Yes, Senuja. Kenuja.
What's the answer for fourth
That is rook h6. Nihali.
Can you say
For
the third one?
B4.
All right. One second. Wait a second. Once we are past the questions, no point of writing them if you have not taken a screenshot at least, right? What you can do then, if you want, you can take a screenshot and write the answer. But if you have not taken a screenshot, no point of just writing the answers, right? Mama question ek giyata passe answer ke liye lecture edanne. I actually asked you to keep a what's rough worksheet so that you can write down your answer. Otherwise, you all scream out saying the answers, right? So I'll get the answer from Kenuja or Yehali for this Anuradhapura. Yes, Nisandi.
Sir, can I
Sensadi. Wait a second. Sensadi, what?
Castle is A8.
No, it's black to move. It's black to move. Nisandi, it's black to play. Black game karana. Dimansa.
Bishop to 6 D.
Dimansa says bishop to d6, but it doesn't attack the king. Taruli.
Bishop to C1.
I got few answers. Bishop to c1. Yes. All right. Put a raised hand. Yes. Put a raised hand. Yes. I think bishop c1 can I son. Bishop c1. Those who say this is correct, right? Can you give a check with the king? Everyone, can you give a check with the king? You cannot. So king moves are wrong. King moves are wrong anyway. So the correct answer is, look at the king again. I'm at Balan black king idhiya. Sorry, white king idhiya. Mepar white king. This time it's white's king. Look at the white king. It cannot actually, let's say, well, yes. It cannot take the pawn. Look at this. Beyond pawn to capture karanna bad because there's a pawn to guard it, right? That's done. And because of this pawn, black cannot go over here. Not bad because there's a pawn. Right? Yeah. And because of the king, can't come over here. Because of the pawns, can't go over here, right? So all these squares are blocked except the block net. This yellow line, yellow line. This yellow line is it's a diagonal. It's a diagonal. Right. Can someone tell me the name of this diagonal?
It's a diagonal for the white king.
Yes, it is a diagonal. Tell me the name of this diagonal. Start the pull on.
B26.
C1.
C1 to C1.
Pick up piece. Yes. We have done it like days before. C1 H6. May diagonal ke nama tamai. The name of this diagonal is like C1 H6 diagonal, right? Api issara karame. Days before we have done this. So what we have to do right now, you need to get the control of this C1 H6 diagonal then. May entire diagonal ekama allagannu. This entire diagonal ekama api allagannu. to actually control this entire diagonal, of course, bishop to c1.
C1.
This is how we practice to think, right? You are still practicing to think. How many moves actually I'm practicing you to think? Only one move yet. Only one move. So can you actually become a very good chess player by thinking only one move ahead? You will be, when you actually grow up, you can, like, some players will be there, where there will be some players who can even like think 10 or 15 moves further. Not yet. So bishop c1 is the correct answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, Vihandu.
Can't hear you properly.
Am I getting lag? Hari. Onna idaga Rashni. This is wait a second.
So can you put the questions to the group? I couldn't write them because I
Alright.
can't answer.
Right, these are not that hard questions, right? Let's see. It's all these are one move checkmates. You only need to hear which color is to play. So this one is black to play. This is black to play.
Bishop h3.
I can't hear you properly.
Thoroughly, there are some question. Okay, now let's see. I write on the screen black to play
So the
and
answer,
mate in one. Black
So
to play
the
and mate in one.
so the answer is the answer is E1.
All right. Let's see if queen e1, the king can capture.
Sir, the answer is the
Bishop h3 checkmate.
Yes, let's look at this. If
Sir, it's E2.
all right. Okay. Yes, I got. Okay, wait a second. The ones who actually know the correct answers, no need to scream. I heard it, right? I hear your answers. Sometimes I actually, wait for some time, letting others to tell the answers, not saying whether that's correct. But Samara answer ka ehunata mama ek hari kiyala kiyanne, because I'm giving some time for the others to think. Right. Let's say queen e1, then the king can capture. So this is wrong.
Bishop
Right? Yes.
F.
Queen f2 is also wrong. If you bring the queen anywhere in front of the king without having guard, then the king will capture.
Bishop
The correct answer
Bishop
is
to three.
F3. That's correct. That's done.
got to 3H.
It's attacked. The other squares are blocked with the queen. When Anitika block pelati queen game. So bishop controls the diagonal. This is a checkmate. Our cover yalu ek mata kiwa huna queen to f3 kiyala. It's a check, but can escape. There are two squares can escape, right? G1 or E1 ekate yanna puluwan. Right? Let's take another one. So there are millions of questions that I can give on this one, right? Plenty of questions I have on this case. So this one is white to play. Get some time. Think about the answers.
Knight
last.
d5.
It's white to play. It's not pawn d4. It doesn't attack the king. It's not d4, Dunal.
Sir, knight d4.
Yes.
D5. Knight to D5.
Knight to d5. Opana.
Knight to e4.
Knight to Knight to D5.
Some says knight to a4. Some says knight to d4.
Knight to A4.
Green or red. Api two answers. We'll take only two answers. Blue or red.
Blue.
Red.
Blue.
Vihandu.
Blue.
All right. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Now this thing actually, becomes interesting because now the questions are getting a bit hard, right? But all these puzzles are one move, right? Next week, of course, actually, I will do some more puzzles in one move. but the difficulty level will be like increased gradually. Just one step questions, one step. These are not the hardest questions that you will get. But after that, we will actually move on to some opening ideas, right? Last week, Mama Dekka, some are using the opening tricks because of the others don't know them, right? Maybe because we all have good coaches, right? We all have good coaches in our schools. අපි ඔක්කොටම හොඳ coach එකක් ඉන්නවා schools වල. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොම ගොඩක් tricks ළමයින්ට කියලා දීලා දිනවා already. තව අය ඉන්නවා ටිකක් මේ classes වලිමුත් tricks දන්න අය. But අපි මොකද කරන්න හදන්නේ? මේ ටික ඔක්කොමගේම knowledge එක එක ගානකට කේන්න තමයි හදන්නේ. හරිද? ඉතින් තව ටිකක් tricks ටිකක් මමත් අපි කියලා දෙනවා. හරි? But don't think there are tricks that you can win always, right? So these are the things that you can, these tricks are going to help you only. All right, now let's look at this and finish. This is the last question. So if you play knight to d4, this is the check. This is only a check. And king can escape. Then the king can escape. So knight d5 is wrong. But knight a4 is correct. It's a check. And king cannot escape from this time, from this check by coming to c5, it's blocked. So the rest of this class are blocked with the bishop and king. It is a checkmate, right? It is a checkmate now, right? So like this, we will do more questions. And before we have 5 more minutes to join to the tournament, I'm going to put this tournament link again. Minimum tournament link aymat saraya danama Zoom chat for everyone, right? Yes, Dunal, yes, sometimes I don't accept these challenges because I'm kind of too much busy in classes. Some stuff I have put the challenges off, right? So otherwise, if I start keep playing games with you all, I won't have enough, time to do any of my other work. All right, so now let's go to the tournament. We have 4 minutes left to join the tournament, right? Okay, see you in the next week then, right? Have a nice week. Stay safe. Bye.